While clothing designs and structures vary greatly depending on their purpose and fashion trends, one universally accepted concept in garment making is the process of sewing pieces of fabric together. This results in visible sew lines or construction marks. However, modern technology has introduced a new method, seamless garments. These garments challenge the traditional approach of sewing. Have you heard of seamless garments? How are they made? And is it true that they are woven entirely in one piece, similar to how a 3D printer creates objects? Today, we're visiting a factory that specializes in seamless garment production. Here, instead of conventional flat fabric rolls, they use circular knitting machines to knit tubular fabrics in one continuous piece. And they have multiple of those machines to do this, in bulk. To begin the process, yarn cones are prepared and mounted on creels positioned above and beside the machine. Each yarn end is guided through tension controllers, then threaded into yarn feeders and knitting needles. With advanced circular knitting machines like the ones are in use, every specific product is pre-programmed, including its knit structure, elasticity, and compression zones. The program is then uploaded directly into the machine. With this setup, the machine can knit complete garments, such as tops, bottoms, and bras, instead of just producing basic tubular fabric. Once the machine starts running, loops are formed horizontally by needles knitting around the cylinder, forming a seamless tube of fabric. For wireless bras, the technology even allows for zonal compression, creating built-in support around the bust area, all done seamlessly during the knitting process. After knitting, each fabric tube is automatically pushed through a chute and collected in bins, ready for the next stage. Before moving on, the knit tubes are thoroughly inspected to detect and correct any issues. Then, after dyeing, the semi-finished fabric is checked again to ensure the correct color and measurements before it goes to final product assembly. Since the semi-final products are already shaped during knitting, the remaining steps are relatively simple. Workers trim any excess fabric, join panels if needed, and shape the piece according to the brand's design. Adjustable straps and customer labels are then added, and just like that, the seamless bra is complete. The beauty of seamless garments lies in their soft, lightweight, and stretchable fabric. With minimal seams and no bulky stitch lines, they offer maximum comfort and freedom of movement. This technology is especially popular in underwear, activewear, and loungewear lines. Thanks to modern circular knitting technology and efficient production planning, this factory is capable of producing thousands of high-quality seamless garments every day, tailored to the unique needs of different clients.